You don't have to sit on a mountain, chant with the Dalai Lama, or quit your day job to meditate. Holistic nurse and meditation teacher Doreen Fishman, who has actually been with the Dalai Lama, shows me how a few mindful moments in your day can really make life better. Step 1, 3 deep breaths when you're stressed change everything.
Just 2 finger breaths below the belly button. And you bring the breath straight up to the center of the forehead, in through the nose and out through the mouth, and you just calm and relax. Do 3 of those. And you set. So now your intention is set, and you're all relaxed now. Look at that.
Right.
You can really see it in your energy field.
Doreen says I just boosted my immune system.
It also calms all the cells in the body so that they start to respond and multiply and divide at a healthy, rate. So there's so many reasons for meditation.
That's why even the Mayo Clinic has an app for meditation. You can pick a 5 or 15-minute guide, but you can do something even simpler.
If we're out in a beautiful park or even in a parking lot,
Right.
walking in a figure 8 can help?
Yes. It actually balances the brain, the right and left brain. And I recommend doing a figure 8 because as you start to, and you'll see, as you start to walk the figure 8, that's your intention, is set on that, you'll notice that your mind doesn't get cluttered with all these thoughts of what you need to do. And just taking a breath along the way, you bring it around. And you've really mapped out where your figure 8 is. And it doesn't have to be the perfect 8, but what you've done is you've gone and you've crisscrossed. And you've come around like the sun of infinity,
So, and I noticed even walking, I felt the calmness, and you'll say part of that is the symbol of infinity, even walking that shape, it helps calm us, it helps expand us.
It does. It truly does.
Make it a big 8 or a small one. Make it your own. Barefoot is best.
You're feeling the earth beneath your feet, and that's grounding.
Okay.
So it gives you a sense of solid and groundedness.
Remember to breathe deeply.
You could do that just about anywhere.
You really can.
And how long? 5 minutes, and that's something?
If 5 minutes, 3 minutes, really, it doesn't have to be that long.
I think some people think that, well, to meditate, I need to free up an hour of my day.
That's exactly what people think.
You don't.
And you really don't.
Next, the park bench meditation.
You want to have a good posture, but not stressed, but a good posture, and where you can, again, take those breaths, those abdominal breaths.
If you're at a sporting game with one of your kids, you can put the glasses on, no one will know you're meditating.
That's right.
So just find a fixed gaze and breathe.
And that's it, yeah. Take the word relax and melt it right over the top of my head. Like the big R, and imagine the letter R just melting down. R-E-L-A-X, melting over the top of your head to your shoulders.
Bring it all the way down. You can also try imagining sunlight coming in through the top of your head and filling your body.
Can you feel that?
I can.
It's affecting your health and your well-being because it also will lower your blood pressure. I mean, meditation also, it's been shown in studies, can lower cholesterol.